Alright, this is the third attempt at doing this, because I've spent two 15-minute videos, 30 minutes, trying to find a way to play the excellent game JarJar's Journey, but I failed both times. They were basically just like filler videos with jokes and commentary, and I guess you would be watching this for the commentary, maybe? Uh, what? I don't think you heard that, because it said you can't hear computer files. Network error. I'll have to download again. I should probably test things out before I just start filming. Maybe if I did that, I wouldn't have two part 0 videos. Wait, what? Net. Oh. Shouldn't even. Oh. I really wish I didn't just have only 15 minutes to do this. I also wish there was a way I could just play the game without having to buy it. Oh, this is so good right now. Please. Just somewhere. Somewhere. Why is my cursor that what it's called? Yeah? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Why is that glitching out? Don't glitch out. Close this. Alright. Okay. Please. Like, what would I even name the video after this? 0.7? Oh. Please. Please. Just let. Oh, it's. Okay, it's gonna be the same thing again. Yeah. So it looks to be hopeless. One minute video. Maybe one of my videos here. Hopefully. I highly doubt it, though. What's this? Oh, song. Okay. So, like, I can't download it? Can. It's just not possible. I'm gonna have to cancel the Let's Play before I even started it. That's good. So, who would buy, not to disrespect, but who would spend $10 or really any money to buy a Jar Jar game? It's not even like a real game. It's like a book game. Who would do that? I guess I can look at Jar Jar Binks on Amazon. Maybe the toy I have will be here, but no, it's not that. Looks like that one. That one. That's a nice mask. Even though you wouldn't be able to see at all in it. What is this? Oh, one of the Naboo animals. One day, I'm gonna have all the Jar Jar toys. It's gonna be great. Look how muscular this Jar Jar toy is. 24, $25 for a Jar Jar Binks plushie? You've gotta be kidding, right? Like, Come on now. You don't see the one I have on here, though. Odd. Like, did I order the very last one in existence? I guess I should be happy if I did. Oh yeah, I've been like planning to do a review of that as a joke for like a month. But oh, here we go. But I haven't gotten to it for some reason. This is it right here. It was a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Like Godzilla. Like he speaks lines and he has like electric ball thing that he can throw. Came in mint condition. It's actually really good. I kept the box because it feels like a thing that you would want to keep since it came from the 1999 days. Oh yeah, speaking of Jar Jar, Jar Jar's true identity. Someone who just dies. Spoiler, I guess. Let's be honest though, if you haven't seen The Last Jedi yet, you'll probably just one of the people who just see it for the porgs, or like the idea, because like it's popular and mainstream. Because like real Star Wars fans, even the ones who don't think the movie would be good, or the ones who hate the movie, saw it like instantly. I saw it on the day it first released where I live. Actually, you know what? Lord Jar Jar would never be killed by this guy. Never. You know, not to disrespect Black Series, but you think, I mean, I know he destroys it in the very beginning, but you think they could at least add the mask as an accessory, you know? I guess it doesn't really matter, though. Probably just buy a Force Awakens one if you want the mask. What's this? The Black Series Darth Vader was discontinued by manufacturer? Why? This looks pretty good, actually. I would say I would want this, but I have, like, a massive animatronic, highly articulated Darth Vader. It also looks better, kind of. But that'd probably be second best. What am I doing with my life? Like, so there's no way to download it. And I can't pay money for it. I would rather pay money on more separatist battle droid toys. Hold on. Next, I've ordered this one. This one should be coming quite a while from now. The next one I feel like ordering at some point in the future when I get the money for it is this one, because I don't have the security droid. And the thing is, I never really knew, like, the colored ones were security droids, really. I mean, they were always in, like, security places, but I just never realized it. Like, I only realized, like, the realization came in when I saw this. Because, it never really said it or anything like it in the films, but it makes sense, because these ones were on the Trade Federation ship, the Viceroy's throne room. I think they were like defending, no, not defending, I guess, just escorting Queen Amidala in the Handmaidens. In Revenge of the Sith, they were in like that Mustafar room all the Separatists were in. And like General Grievous's office in the beginning of Revenge of the Sith. Ness Forever. That is an odd name to have. Yay. Is this the one? Was this the set with I don't think it is. Never mind. There's like a villain set that has like the prequel villains, but then it just has Jar Jar. Yay. I wonder what happens if I Google. I guess not Google. Jar Jar Abrams. Oh, wow. I don't think I spelled that right. I think. There we go. It's spelled right now. What? Okay. Wait, what's this? Maybe someday in the future, when I actually feel like buying it, I'll get back to it. Wow. Great quality, it looks awesome, works just great. Love it, and will recommend it to others I have. That is why I give it 5 stars. I was an assistant animator on this at Watt Brain. What a blast to draw these Star Wars characters. It's pretty silly music, sold out, so might get a kick of this while appreciating some nice cartoony art. None of these seems to be ironic. I mean, it's Jar Jar. Yay, Stormtrooper. Remember back in the day when like a new Star Wars trilogy after the original trilogy was made, someone thought to make like everything original and not just repeat the same things. Ah, the good old days of the Jar Jar era. Even though admittedly, there seems to be a lot of different type of stormtroopers, and I guess that's nice. Like the electric holding ones, which are basically just like the General Grievous Vanguard guards. I think there was another one. Oh yeah, there's like, I don't really know what they're for, but I saw quite a few different looking stormtroopers. Like small toys that I have. I don't really know what they mean though. So I just kind of make up things. This is what this video has turned into now. Oh, porg. Yay. Porgs. Someone hug some porgs. Yas and porgs. Oh, they're so cute, so the movie's good. I have this. Yay. Ah. Yeah, you would think, after the hatred of Jar Jar Binks and the Ewoks being generally regarded as the worst thing in the original trilogy, that no one would do this, since especially The Force Awakens, or really mainly The Force Awakens, to this hate on the prequel trilogy and the fact that it exists. But then they would do this. It's kind of mind-boggling, really. What? $70 for a pork plush, worth it. That's worth the money right there. So worth the money. Who wouldn't want to spend $70 for a pork plush? You know, I'm feeling tired. I'm getting teary-eyed for some reason. I can't even be bothered to do things. So these were, I guess, 3 minutes. How long? 45 minutes? Yeah. 45 minutes of me trying to play a joke game and failing. You're welcome. I'm just gonna wait out the timer. Maybe I should look for a new screen recorder, so I could have just made this in the one video. But I feel like every screen recorder required money. But, goodbye, good stuff. Like, comment, and subscribe.